Who are the ones that pollute the Amazon River that has 20% of all the drinking water in the world? Who are the ones that cut huge trees in the Amazon so they can feed cows to later make hamburgers? And this is why the world is getting hotter and hotter. Who are the ones that the fundament of their economy is to sell machine guns? This little boy looks like his father. What a terrifying example. Rifles and airplanes with nuclear bombs to third world countries, so we can make many billions of dollars and they can kill each other. Who are the poachers that hunt elephants for ivory and rhinos to make aphrodisiacs to those who can afford it, so they can enjoy wild nights in the naked bodies of their secret lovers? Who are the high priest of genocide that kill all the Onas, the Selkem of Patagonia? And extinguish an ethnic group of Australian Aborigines in Tasmania? And wipe out all the Native American Indians in United States? Who are the terrorists that activate bombs with cellular phones and kill in Sari Club, Bali, over 200 innocent people? Who are the satanic brains that falsified pills to cure hepatitis? One pill costs $100 and the effect is just like an aspirin. Nature is the work of God. Therefore, the destruction of nature is a disgusting insult